Opening a new account in online banking is quick and easy. From the homepage, select More Services, then choose Open a Share. Select the account number you'd like to open the new share under, then select Continue. Next, choose from a variety of account types and select the option that best fits your needs. You can also add a nickname and include any joint owners if needed. Enter the amount you'd like to deposit and which account the funds will come from. Review your account details to make sure everything's correct. Read and accept the terms and conditions, and then select Submit. You'll see a confirmation message once your account has been successfully opened. Your new account is active and ready to use. Have any questions? Contact our online support team.